Hi, in this video we are going to explain how you can use the custom domain. Okay, so you as an admin, you have uploaded the custom domain plugin and your clients should be able to see this. So the idea will be to use a domain to show their menu. This is the menu. My website is mobidonia.website and the restaurant menu is located at restaurant Leuka Pizza. It's pretty long and your client wants to point a domain to open this menu. So your client needs to have a domain. In my case, I will be using mobidonia.link. Let's copy that and enter it here. The next thing to do is go inside the DNS of the domain, the DNS records, and add a new CNAME record for the root host that points to mobidonia.website. This is the website where the project is installed. Click Save, and this may take a while to propagate. So let's copy this domain once again and use it at DNS checker tool to check the C records, the CNAME records. And you will see that it's not available everywhere, so you need to wait to be available in all the DNS servers. But we can continue with the installation. So let's go to add-on domains and do add a new add-on domain. For the link we have mobidonia.link, and this will create a new subdomain that will point to the document root mobidonia.link. But keep in mind, this is the most important step. We need to point to the same folder where our project is installed. In our case, it's public HTML. In your case, can be in some domain here or inside the public HTML. So let's add public HTML and add the domain. Okay, and make sure you enable HTTPS for your domain. So if I go now back to my add-on domains, I'm having this mobidonia.link that points to public HTML and looks okay. Let's wait a while all the DNS servers are propagated correctly, and I will continue with the video. Okay, let's refresh. And since I'm in Europe, looks that all the DNS servers, major DNS servers, are updated. So I can put https mobidonia.link and that should work. I should be able to see the menu of Leuka Pizza. And this completely uses the mobidonia.link. What I get questions about is how they can point a subdomain to point to the menu page. So let's imagine your client has a website in the case of mobidonia.link, and I already have created, for example, a host test.mobidonia.website. So they want to point test.mobidonia.website to point to Leuka Pizza. The steps are the same, or let's say menu. So for host you need to enter menu, and for the domain will be the same, mobidonia.website. I have an error here, website. And the step, as I said, will be the same. We need to create a new add-on domain, which in this case is menu.website. mobidonia.link. And I will be pointing to same place, public HTML. And I need to check once again for propagation of this domain. This was pretty quick. Let's see if the add-on is created. And what I didn't do, let's check it here once again. So yeah, I have this menu.mobidonia.link that points to public HTML. And if I copy that one, I should go, let's see if I open it. Don't know if it will be working. No, it doesn't work yet because the DNS are not probably propagated okay. But I did a test with a test.mobidonia.website, test.mobidonia.link. And if I put that inside the apps here, it should be test.mobidonia.link. But let's not save this for a moment. If I open that domain, what I will be seeing is this error, because this domain doesn't belong to any restaurant. But as soon as I save it, Luca Pizza has that domain, and if I refresh it, test.mobidonia.link, because it is a subdomain, what we need to do is I will click save. We're okay here. So I have logged in as an admin and went into the setup, and here added the subdomain, since this is now a subdomain access. So if I put test here, and if I run test.mobidonia.link, it will work. So this is how you should set it up if you have a problem like this one. So let's recapture once again. To point at directly a domain, just add a CNAME record with pointing to the root to your website, and the process will be to add a new add-on domain that will point to the same folder where your project is installed, and it should be entered inside the restaurant settings. In my case, it's the Leuca Pizza, so if I go there, inside the apps, it's test.mobidonia.link, and it should be accessible here, but since this is a subdomain, I need to go as an admin and put that subdomain in settings. Hope with this a bit longer video you get a good insight how you can use you and your customers can use the custom domain feature. Thanks for watching.